far, but make it this far. They hate it, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy.
George, I mean Glenn, get ready to
Get out. We need a rocket here.
do rock. Yeah, do
Yeah.
need a bit of rocking.
Rocking motion.
Going
okay.
back.
Yeah. Forwards. Okay, that's good. Oh God, we're such men. Look at us now, girls. You're not watching us.
So before the trip, I need to do my rocker cover gaskets.
Yeah.
That's going to be a pig of a job. Yesterday I took the bumper off. Lots of hardware missing.
Yeah.
So I'm buying new hardware and I replaced this air duct.
Nice. Because that was touching the fan.
Yeah, and it was going bzzz,
Yeah.
sounded like a vibrator of a married woman. So I know you haven't done many mechanical jobs, so I thought we could start you off easy. You can put a plastic clip in the car if you
go on
want.
then. Where is it going then?
So it goes in here.
Oh yeah. I feel like Guy Martin. I feel like Ant Ansted. I feel like Ed China.
Ed China.
I think we're right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's just that's touching the washer there, isn't it?
Well, there you go, you started. Now you can do stuff to your own car. Change your brakes. You can see exactly when I bought my BMW, because you can see when I was spending money on clothes and I look like a presentable human, then I'm spending my money in the parts department in BMW and I look
You started
like
wearing
this.
anoraks.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh,
So
we're
I
losing.
am not going to faff around my car. Neemah's, you're spending about £1 million on your car
Can
on the
I
road
just
trip.
say, I want to interject here, sorry.
Yeah.
This piece of piping,
This piece of this piece of piping.
guess how much that costs? Just for two of those.
£200.
I think it's 1,100 quid.
Wow.
And look at this.
Is that real carbon fibre?
Well, I bloody hope it is. But look at this. I've had to epoxy it.
Oh
and
my
it still
God,
won't
that's
repair
disgusting.
itself.
That's actually really bad.
For that amount of money, braking like that, you do not expect that. So go sort your life out.
What do you think, Glenn? I mean, what a shoddy piece of workmanship. How much money are you spending on this for the road trip? We're only going about 2,000 miles.
Probably I'll do probably £1,000.
What, just parts?
One thing I need labour for.
Yeah.
Not the political
As I
party.
say,
We
Keir
have no
Starmer
political
does
affiliation.
also dabble in BMWs. Not many people know that about him. It goes against his working man image.
Onto your car.
My car is rather more underplayed compared to yours. All I'm going to do is adjust the tyre pressures.
Tyre pressure.
Tyre, very important.
How do you check your fluids in this car?
Well, the only fluids I can really check. Bear with me, viewers. There.
So that's the only thing from your engine you can see with relative ease.
The engine is there. This is mechanical knowledge right now.
So
So can you see here, there's the coolant to rock the car a little bit to see it. There is also, I think a lot of Boxers owners have this, a bit of a cooling issue.
warm,
There's a lot of radiator tubing in this car, like an awful lot. So this can actually end up, like the pressure can build up here and end up being right up here, which is really weird. It just drops down. It's a bit disturbing. I thought I had an engine issue, but I think I'm all right. And
have you practiced saying that in French? So at the roadside you can tell the mechanic.
les Porsche. There is unfortunately a minor issue with the gearbox cable clip. I went to Ludlow the other day, ended up in the middle of the road. I overtook someone in fifth gear like a twat. Suzuki Vitara Classic, 30 in the outside lane. I didn't undertake him well. I went past him, no gears, like fourth gear and that was it. So I had to coast to my parents' house. Apparently what had happened was, this, I can't really show you it, it's just literally there. The clip that guides the timing chains in,
right,
had just snapped.
Really?
So we need to jam the gearbox cables.
And that's fixed?
I've used a £1 clamp from a local shop called Tuffins.
And you're going to the Nürburgring at that. What's your interior like for a road trip? Is it kitted out?
There you go. Well,
oh, look at this, lads.
I haven't got any infotainment. It's pretty
Have you got any
cavemanish
plans
in there.
to put something in?
Yes, but I haven't got any money. Well, I mean, yeah, it's a Porsche. What more is there to say?
What else can I rinse you on?
Nothing, because it's a perfect car.
Where do you put the scissors?
What, for the hairdresser?
Yeah.
Or the circumcisions?
Do you know there's
Sorry, can you shut up? Whose car is absolutely fine, right?
I could probably drive that.
Catastrophic gearbox problem sorted with a £1 clip. What is going on here? You're spending about £2,000. Your car looks like it's just come out of the ring with Mike Tyson.
Can I be honest? I have a problem.
What?
I have a problem.
Yeah, what?
I just want-
You've definitely got a problem, mate.
Yeah, I do. I just want to fix everything. Fixing my lights, my plastic. It does look nice.
I think you need to fix your mind next.
Sorry.
Because this is just the work of a madman.
It is, but it's beautiful.
You just I'm going on a road trip. I'm going to take my car apart. What's wrong with it? Oh, my car looks disgusting. I mean, we're going to Monaco, so you better scrub up. I might just give it a quick wash. Do you have a hose here?
I do. I've got a hose and I've got some cleaning equipment.